Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, I would like to say Happy New Year's first. It's coming up, and in case I didn't say it before, I want to say it now. But in this video today, guys, this is a wig that I made. I want to say almost going on 2 months. She's back again for like the third time to restyle it. So I figured that, well, she figured that she wanted the same style we did the last time, but I didn't get to record. So I'm here to show you guys what it is. This is a 13x6 custom handmade wig by me, Miss Alicia Handles It. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Leave a like because it gets me out there in the algorithms. And if you're new here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is a lot of how-tos, tutorials, unboxings. Well, I haven't done any of those in a while, but yeah, unboxings, tutorials, how-tos, finger waves, cutting, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, just hit that subscribe button, join the squad, and we'll love on you over here. So guys, just watch this. I'm gonna go through this with a quick little silk press, and I know it's probably in the thumbnail. I wanted it to be a surprise, but obviously it can't. But check it out, guys. This is a wig, 13x6 lace wig. I installed it, I want to say a month ago. All I did was fix up the edges. So you guys, remember to like the video, leave an E for effort in the comments. Guys, cash at me, support the videos, come on now, guys. I'm giving away free tea here. And there's also super thanks. And remember, there's also a raffle going on. Could you guys just support the ting for me, please? All right, so I'm going to shut up now, and you guys just enjoy the video. Happy New Year, guys. Mwah. So obviously, if you guys were paying attention, I showed you the type of hair that I was using in the beginning of the video. But this hair is, what do you call it? It's a mix. So it's half human, half synthetic, I'm guessing. But you can also use straight human hair. Either one is great. It doesn't matter. So what I did, I started the braid first, and then I'm just feeding in these pieces of deep wave that I bought at the hair store. Just because you don't want that ball or bulk at the beginning of your braid. So start your braid first and then start feeding in the braids. And as I go along, I am taking out pieces of the deep wave and letting it hang. So guys, just pay close attention. I'm tripping over my words tonight, but pay close attention and you'll see exactly what I'm doing. I love this style. This is the style that I would wear for myself. So guys, the wig that is for raffle, this is like the perfect style for that. This is a perfect style for that wig, because that wig is deep wave mixed with loose wave, and then you can add, like, guys, there's so much things you can do. Just order wigs. Hit me up in the Gmail and let's get it. Did I mention that I made this wig, I want to say almost 2 months ago, and also installed it like almost, I want to say, a month ago, a little bit more than a month. Guys, like, come on. Support the channel, leave a like right now. As a matter of fact, stop what you're doing and leave a like right now on the video, guys. I'm at 5K by New Year's Day. Thanks to all the new subscribers. I love you guys for supporting the channel. Thanks for all the comments, good or bad. It's so funny in the comment section. I can't even. I'm enjoying every minute of it. So, guys, keep watching, keep supporting, share the video, like the video, and get me out there in these algorithms. So I'm hoping you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this is a very inspirational style. If you want to wear it, I hope if you want to do it, that you took away some techniques if you caught any. And I want to say Happy New Year to everyone, because this is my last video of 2023. I'll see you guys in 24, and thanks everybody for all. Oh, I love you. Woo! I love all you guys. Thanks so much. The progress was crazy. Mwah.